Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Podcast, the place where mastering English is both easy and enjoyable. I'm Hanna.
Hello, Hanna, and a big hello to all of our listeners joining us today. It's an absolute pleasure to be here.
Hi, Sam. How are you doing today? You look like you're in a fantastic mood.
I really am, thank you. I'm feeling quite energetic and truly excited about our topic today.
Oh, yes. Today's topic is incredibly important for anyone learning a language.
It definitely is. But before we dive in, let me remind everyone to quickly subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Yes, please do. Tap that subscribe button, hit the like button, and feel free to share this episode with your friends and family. Your support truly means the world to us and helps us keep creating these lessons.
It really does. All right, Hanna, I'm ready to go. What exactly are we discussing today?
Today, we are tackling the famous prompt, "Tell me about yourself."
The ultimate icebreaker. People ask this in almost every setting. Job interviews, a new classroom, or just when meeting someone for the very first time.
Exactly. And because it's so open-ended, it can feel a bit overwhelming to know where to begin or what details to share.
Very true. So today we are going to break it down, make it simple, and give our listeners the perfect roadmap to answer it with confidence.
That sounds like a plan. So, who is going to be the guinea pig today? Do you want to start or should I?
How about I go first? Put me in the hot seat.
Perfect. Let's start with the absolute basics. What is your full name and where are you from?
Great starting point. My name is Sam and I'm originally from the United States. I grew up on the East Coast.
Wonderful to meet you, Sam. I'm Hannah, and I am originally from Canada, so we are North American neighbors. Do you live in a bustling city right now?
Actually, no. I currently live in a quiet, charming small town. I really appreciate the peace and quiet after a long day of work. What about you, Hannah? Do you prefer the quiet life?
Not at all. I actually live in the heart of a massive city. It's incredibly lively, a bit noisy, and always on the move, but I absolutely love the energy here.
That is a great contrast. A cozy small town versus a vibrant big city. And what kind of home do you live in?
I live in a modern apartment. It's not huge, but it has big windows and lots of natural light. How about you?
I live in a traditional house. It's a modest size, but my favorite part is that it has a lovely backyard garden where I can relax.
A garden sounds wonderful. I definitely miss having a green space. Okay, so we have covered names, where we are from, and where we live. Let's move on to another standard question. How old are you, Sam? Only if you're comfortable sharing, of course.
Oh, I don't mind at all. I am 28 years old.
A great age. I am 25 years old myself.
You're in your mid-20s. That's fantastic. Now let's get to the big question that almost always follows. What do you do for a living?
Well, I am currently a full-time university student.
A student. That is wonderful. What are you majoring in?
I am studying fine arts. I have a deep passion for painting and drawing, and I hope to work in a creative field one day. It's a lot of hard work, but it's incredibly rewarding. What about you, Sam? What is your profession?
I am an educator. Specifically, I'm an English teacher here at English with Podcast. I've been teaching for a few years now, and I absolutely love helping people communicate better.
That is so inspiring. An art student and an English teacher. We really do make a highly creative team for this podcast.
We certainly do. Now that we've covered work and studies, another great topic to bring up when introducing yourself is family. Do you have a big family, Hannah?
I have a small but close-knit family. I have one older brother named Tom. He is 29, so he is actually just a year older than you. What about your family?
I have one younger sister named Sarah. She's actually a student, just like you, but she's majoring in music. She plays the piano beautifully.
Wow, a musician and a painter. Our families are full of artists. What do your parents do?
My mother is a talented freelance writer. And my father works as a pediatrician, a doctor for children. They are both very passionate about their careers. How about your parents?
My mother is actually a primary school teacher, so teaching definitely runs in your world and mine. And my father is a professional chef at a local Italian restaurant.
A chef. I am officially jealous. I bet the family dinners at your house are absolutely spectacular.
They are definitely delicious. Now, what about pets? Are you an animal lover?
Oh, absolutely. I have a golden retriever named Max. He is incredibly energetic, loyal, and always makes me laugh. Do you have any furry friends?
I do. I have a cat named Luna. She is black and white, and unlike your energetic dog, she's extremely calm and spends about 18 hours a day sleeping.
That sounds like a very peaceful life. Okay, so we've shared our backgrounds, careers, families, and pets. To make a conversation really interesting, it's always great to share your preferences, the things you love, and the things you dislike.
I agree. Let's start with a crowd favorite, food. What is your absolute favorite dish?
That is a tough one because I love food. But if I had to choose just one thing to eat for the rest of my life, it would definitely be pizza. I'm a big fan of classic pepperoni. What about you? Are you a pizza lover too?
I do enjoy pizza, but my absolute number one comfort food is a good bowl of pasta, especially with a fresh tomato and basil sauce.
You can never go wrong with pasta. And what about your favorite color? I notice you use a lot of green in your artwork.
You have a good eye. Green is indeed my favorite color. It reminds me of nature, growth, and the outdoors. What about you?
My favorite color is a deep ocean blue. It's very calming and peaceful to me.
That suits your personality perfectly. Now, let's talk about how we spend our free time. What are your main hobbies, Sam?
Well, besides teaching, I'm a massive music fan. I love collecting old vinyl records, particularly classic rock. I also try to stay active by playing soccer with a local community team on the weekends. It's a great way to exercise and socialize. What do you do to unwind?
Aside from painting, which takes up a lot of my time, I am a huge bookworm. I love getting lost in adventure and fantasy novels. I also love watching animated movies. The artwork and storytelling in them are just incredible. They really are. Now, to wrap up a great introduction, sometimes it's fun to share a lighthearted dislike. It shows you have a sense of humor. What is something you can't stand?
I absolutely cannot stand waking up early. I am a total night owl. If I have to wake up at 6 a.m., I am not a happy person. What about you?
For me, it's standing in long, slow-moving lines. Whether it's at the grocery store or the bank, I get so impatient.
I think we can all agree on that one. Well, Sam, look at that. We just gave our listeners a massive list of things they can use to describe themselves.
We did. We covered name, origin, location, age, occupation, family, pets, hobbies, and personal tastes.
And the best part is, you don't have to say all of it at once. You can mix and match depending on who you are talking to.
Exactly. If you are at a job interview, keep it professional and focus on your studies and skills. If you are making friends at a party, focus on your hobbies and your pets.
It's all about making a connection. Tell me about yourself isn't a test, it's just an invitation to share your story.
That is a beautiful way to put it, Hanna. Well, I think we have reached the end of our time today.
Time flies when you're having a great conversation.
It really does. Listeners, now it's your turn. Head down to the comment section below and introduce yourself to us. Tell us your name, where you are from, and one thing you love to do. We read all of your comments and we can't wait to meet you.
Yes, please share your stories with us. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Keep practicing, stay positive, and we will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.